What do you know? I mean, what do you absolutely positively know for sure? I'm Dan Trommater, and I'm going to show you something that is not a magic trick, but it's one of the most magical things I've ever seen. It's a drawing by this guy, Roger Shepard. He's a cognitive scientist, and he created this drawing. If I was to ask you what this drawing depicts, I guess you'd say it's two tables. One is long and skinny, the other is short and squat. I know that's what I would have said. But what if I was to tell you that the tabletops are actually both exactly the same size and shape? Don't believe me? Let's take a closer look. I'll color in the top surface of just the left table. Now, I'll animate that shape to rotate through space and onto the other tabletop. And you can see the tables are indeed exactly the same size and shape. Unless you've seen this drawing before, you're probably thinking, nice try, Photoshop boy. So let's take a look at it in the real world. Here's that exact same drawing and a little extra red piece that perfectly matches the top surface of the left table. No trickery. The tables are exactly the same. Isn't that fascinating? Before you were told otherwise, you knew those tables were different. It's a brilliant optical illusion that illustrates the idea that sometimes the things that we know for sure are wrong. Knowing is a great feeling. It gives us confidence and a feeling of certainty. But when knowing comes from a place of assumption, it can lead to real problems. For example, you're probably assuming right now that because I'm wearing glasses, I must have poor eyesight, when in fact I have perfect eyesight, and these glasses have no lenses. Now that's an assumption that carries no risk. There's no downside to that. But sometimes the assumptions we make keep us stuck in our problems. Because if we think we know the answer, well, we don't even think of new solutions. The challenge is to continually ask ourselves, am I sure? To really question the things that we think we know versus the assumptions we're making. Ask yourself, what evidence do I have for this belief?